Let us make polymer clay earrings using polymer clay canes. Prepare 5 to 7 colors that go well together. Make sure you knead the clay until it becomes soft and nice. This process is very important to make sure that all the ingredients in the clay is mixed really well. Take your time and knead clay until you don't see any unmixed colors. Make each one into a coil. Each coil should be nice and even, and that takes some time to make sure that the coil is nice and even. All coils should be the same length, but can be different thickness. Cut it exactly into 2 and combine them to make the cane thicker. When attaching them together, give a gentle pressure so you get rid of all these spaces in between coils. Take your time and stick them well before you roll them into one with even pressure. Make sure you use a gentle pressure. Make sure you really roll them gently and evenly. Slice them laterally with even thickness. Make sure you hold your blade upright, perpendicular to the table, and each one has the same exact thickness. Try your best and go slow. Now we're going to make them into small squares and attach them securely against each other to make a sheet of clay. So attach them into rows and columns and give a little bit of a gentle pressure against each other. Roll them so they can attach securely into a sheet. When you're rolling them, make sure you kind of flip it every other roll and give a gentle pressure towards inside. The whole point of rolling is to make sure that they are all securely attached to each other. Make sure you roll evenly and flip every other roll. Give a gentle pressure when needed. Do not rush, and take your time when shaping it into a circle as you roll the sheet evenly. You need to repeat this process until you don't see any cracks in between clay. So you can cut the sheet into 2, or you can get the cookie cutters to make those 2 shapes. And then you want to cut the holes on top of each one and cut out 2 extra circles from another sheet of clay, and then also cut holes on the bottom of these 2 circles. These holes are needed when you are assembling them into a pair of earrings. After baking them, we're gonna assemble them into a pair of earrings using the jump ring, and when you're using the jump ring, make sure you use the pliers. Sand off the surface of the earring post that's going to be attached to the clay. Glue the post on the back of the earrings using the crazy glue. Any type of crazy glue will work well. Ta-da! Done! Now make your own.